GravaStar has been a brand that's been thinking out of the box, and I really do love what they bring it to the table. Coming up with product like no other. My favorite pair of unique sci-fi wireless earbuds are the Sirius Pro here. These headphones right here that have taken the place of my daily driver buds, which was my Samsung buds. Well, you know what? GravaStar is not stopping there. I have the latest arrival here, the GravaStar Sirius P5. And you know what? They might have undone themselves here. I mean, they may have went to another level here with these buds. Let me give you my thoughts about it. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So the new GravaStar Sirius P5s is a very lightweight open ear Bluetooth earbud that features a 12mm dynamic driver that gives you nice clear sound. Looking at the look and feel here, it's inspired by sci-fi, right? Futuristic. GravaStar for the first time is offering interchangeable shells, right, to give you a good look, different styles, and for protection. So these three cases is a 3-in-1 combo, which is really nice. But let's talk about a little bit of the unboxing experience. Sirius P5 GravaStar. This is the combo pack here. So let's go and take a look at it. Yes. All right, so let's take it out of the box, get my reaction. Nice. Ooh, look at that. Would you look at that? Sweet. Earbuds itself. Nice. Yes. Absolutely love it. Okay. Metal. Nice. This is metal. Okay, nice. Hey, I got my metal lanyard here. Oh yeah. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, this is nice. All right, look at that. You get some other stuff here. USB Type-C. Look at that. Some customized stuff for some collectibles. So this unboxing experience is personal. It's nice. It gives you more of a collector's item, right? The box is unique. It gives you that sci-fi flavor. It's definitely a collector's item to me. So as we look at the Sirius P5s, let's talk about some of the tech specs. The GravaStar Sirius P5 has a 12mm dynamic driver to deliver great bass, mids, and highs. It also IPX4 for water resistance. It have ENC, right, for clear calls. And it is a Bluetooth 5.2. One of the cool things about these wireless earbuds that it supports multi-point connections. So you can have these buds set up on multiple devices, which is a very good deal here for this product. I really do like that portion of this product, that you can connect these to multiple devices, whether or not it's going to be a laptop or multiple phones and stuff like that. So that is a good look. So looking at the case itself, you have a good look, beautiful case. RGB light here. They change about 4 colors. On the bottom here, you got USB Type-C for charging. You have a reset button. Also, you can change your RGB lights here when you click on it. It's like that. All right, so you can click on it. And if you press and hold it, it resets the buds. Now, looking at the earbuds itself, right? Very futuristic, a unique sci-fi look. It is open ear style and it's ultra lightweight at about 5 grams. Once you pair it, you have your standard controls, right? You have your touch button here. You tap it once to start and stop your music. You tap it twice to go to the next track. If you tap it 3 times, if you tap and hold it, you get your voice assistant. And if you tap it 3 times, you got different modes, such as gaming mode, that kind of have less latency, but the sound quality is different. So if you're playing games, you want to get sucked into the moment, you press it 3 times, you go to the different modes, find the gaming mode, and you're going to get less latency when you're playing games. So I've been using the P5s for over a month now. And here's my thoughts about the sound quality. Look, I've been using the Series Pros, and these here is my go-to earbuds for a while. Again, replacing my Galaxy Buds. I really do like the sound coming out of these buds. Now, the sound is nice. Nice highs, nice mids. The bass is okay. I think the mids is a bit forward, but as far as the highs and mids, it's okay, right? I think the mids is a bit forward. The bass is okay. The overall quality is very solid. You definitely get sucked in with the sound quality here. Now, as far as battery life is absolutely amazing. 8 hours of battery life, 40 hours with the case. I never had issues with battery life so far here. Also, swapping the cases is a good look. I really do like, if I want to swap cases here and there, you could do that. I really do like this design and the way they're coming out with these cases. And one of the things that I wish GravaStar would do is come out with an app to make some adjustments. Because a lot of these companies do have apps. And GravaStar right now doesn't have an app for their buds. Hopefully that's in development, because I think that if it had an app, you could adjust the equalizer, kind of tone down the mids and go up with the bass a little more and stuff like that. Now, as far as the price, as of me recording this video, you could get these for $105. And that is really nice. Also, they have a Christmas limited edition that's available now with unique colors, and it's on sale for $75. I will leave all the product links down in the description below if you want to check it out. So I really do like the futuristic sci-fi design of these buds. If you're coming from AirPods, if you like the style of AirPods, these will be right at home for you. Now, I have the Series Pros, and these are kind of on the same style of the Galaxy Buds. But if you like the little stem, which the sound quality is really good, I would go with these here. Look, I absolutely love the functionality of GravaStar product and these styles. I got videos about GravaStar product on my YouTube channel. If you want to see a playlist of the GravaStar videos that I've made on this channel, click the videos right here. Click these videos right here and check out all the cool videos that I got about GravaStar. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.